Right now I will show you how to remove the base of this rubber boot. Right here you'll see 3 lines or 3 bars on top and on the bottom. This indicates the clips which we have to undo from the inside, underneath the roof liner. So you have to put your hand inside and then push 2 tabs on the inside, and this will allow you to remove this base. And the reason why they have these lines here, I'll show you, because this is the clip that we were removing, and this side is flat opposed to this side which has a ton right here, so you shouldn't be using this side to remove this base. We will try to do the same procedure, but from the other side, from the visible side. So use the trim removal tool. As you can see, we still managed to remove it from here as well. And let's take a look again. This is the tab, there's one on the other side, and this is the ton in the back. Now we can reinstall our rubber boots, well, the one of them that we removed. First, in this case, the right side goes in, and then you need to push in the side with the clips and repeat the same process on this side. In this case, first the left side goes in and then you push it in.